Hey, what's up? Welcome back on Tech Brothers YouTube channel. This is the next video about Nokia X7. Yesterday we published unboxing and first review of this phone, and today we are going to talk about performance. In this video you will find the results of all popular benchmarks, Wi-Fi, GPS and memory speed tests, as well as gaming. Is this phone good for PUBG Mobile on ultra-high graphic settings? Let's find out. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers. One of the main features of Nokia X7 is hardware. The phone is powered by Snapdragon 710 chipset. We have a model with 6 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal memory, but also you can buy a version with 128 GB of storage. MicroSD slot is available. As you can see, Nokia X7 has a very good processor and a lot of memory. Now it's time to test it. Let's start with benchmarks. If you have watched our unboxing video of Nokia X7, then you know that it scores about 167,000 points in AnTuTu. Snapdragon 710 is very good processor, so we are not surprised by AnTuTu result. The next benchmark is called GeekBench 4, and here we can see 1813 points in single-core test and 5865 points in multi-core test. Also, we have launched 3D Mark. It offers me to run slingshot test. Nokia X7 has 2697 points overall score. As you can see, the performance is similar to Google Pixel 2 or Samsung Galaxy S8. Nokia X7 has very good data transfer speed, 310 megabit per second reading and 166 megabit per second writing speed. Also, we have tested Wi-Fi and GPS. Everything is fine on this phone. Now it's time to play some games. To be honest, I'm sure that Nokia X7 will cope with all the games, but I have to show it to you. The first game is PUBG Mobile. Here you can see that maximum graphics is HD, while the frame rate is high. This is good for mid-range phone. PUBG Mobile runs very good on Nokia X7. I didn't notice any lags or problems. It is really comfortable to play on this smartphone. The next game is Asphalt 9. The racing is one of the most popular genre of mobile games. I think that you want to know how Nokia X7 will cope with Asphalt 9. In fact, very good. The graphics is great, and I don't have any problems with control. The last game for today is Shadowgun Legends. If you already subscribed on our channel Tech Brothers, then you could notice that I play these 3 games very often. There are 2 reasons for that. First, I don't know other demanding Android games. If you know, please write in comments below. The second reason, you open performance tests of different phones and compare benchmarks such as AnTuTu and even games. This is very important before buying new mobile device. As for Shadowgun Legends, it runs very well on Nokia X7. As I expected, new Nokia phone doesn't have any problems with any Android games. I'm very satisfied with the performance of Nokia X7 because it has very good benchmarks results and I didn't find any problems with gaming. Snapdragon 710 processor and 6 GB of RAM offer excellent performance. Thanks for watching this video. If you are not subscribed to our channel Tech Brothers, you can do this now. Also hit the like button. The next video will be about camera of Nokia X7. See you next time.